Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off video calls from friends on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, open the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're gonna see options like Live, Video, Go Live, Chats and Me. You're gonna have to go ahead and tap on Me, then go to Settings from the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, go ahead and go to Privacy and scroll down. There, you're gonna find Turn off video chat with friends option. Go ahead and turn it on. Then you'll successfully turn off video calls from friends on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.